Alam mo ba, ang pogi na nakapagaw kanina?
Sino si Ali?
Ah, Alin pala pangalan niya?
Oo, bes. At may picture ako sa kanya.
Hindi niya nakabangga ka last time. Free ka ba ngayon? Libre kita. Salamat. Thank you sa time mo ngayon ha. Napasaya mo ko ngayong araw.
Stop, Doy.
Alam ko, may dadaanan mo na ako. Yan, makita lang ba? Ha? Sino?
Alam mo naman ang best friend ko na mahal na mahal ko si Ali. Tapos ngayon, iwan nila ako para magdurog na durog.
I know it's tough to get through all this pain alone, but I'm here to listen whenever you're ready. Siguro the best thing to do for now is let go. You can't really force a connection with something that's not supposed to be with you. Trust what's for you and just let it flow. About kay Ian, siguro just find the right timing to confront her about what she did. It was very disrespectful to accept the fact that she was flirting with Ali when in the first place pa lang. She already knew that you had feelings for him, but she kept it hidden and now everything's confusing. I'm sorry, Mian, for what happened, but I'll be with you till you get through all of this.